What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bree, and if you are new to my channel, hey girl. So I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be another lash video. This video, we're gonna get into that, but make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and let's just go on and get into the video since I'm trying to get into it so quick. Okay, so like I said, today's video is going to be a lash video. I've decided to start doing more lash stuff on my channel because I've been having an abundance of lash techs reach out to me, and I just love it. I love spreading knowledge. I love lashing. That's my full-time career. So yes, this video is sponsored by VEyelash. So as you can tell from the title, this is going to be a unboxing video, and I'm just going to tell you about this company, and you know, we're going to see what all goodies they got, and we just going to get right into it. So this is the box that was sent to me. It just has their name and their website, VEyelash, VEyelashFactory.com, and then on the back it just says if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. It has their email, their Instagram, and then it has a little, what do you call those things where you can like scan it and it pop up? It has those. So I already love this box. Super cute. Like, I love packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. Like, I legit will buy some shit because the packaging is cute. Like, I know I can't be the only one who does that. So let's get right into the goodies. So the first thing that they sent me is their lash adhesive. Let's see. This adhesive has a 0.5 to 1 second drying time. That's fast as hell. Lasting time 6 to 8 weeks. Humidity 40 to 70%. And then on the back, it also has tips. I love this. So it tells you how to store your glue, how to take care of it, and just some little tips for making sure you get the best out of your glue. So this is the glue. It's a 5 milliliter little thing. Super cute. It has their logo on there. And then on the back, it has the same stuff that it has on the box. And then I did drop out this. Most glues come with this little puncher, because sometimes it gets really crusty and dry on the top of the glue, and so you need this to kind of poke. So that's it. I can't say too much because we have not tried the glue yet, but we're gonna try the glue, baby, and we're gonna find out what's tea, sweetie. So the next thing I got was this cute little tile to put your lash strips on when you are lashing. I already used one of these, but mine is kind of like beat up and raggedy. So I'm so glad that I have a new one, and this one is pink, so it's super cute. And right here just has the length where you can like know what length you're using, and then it has the curl and the thickness. And then it also comes with these little sticker things that I believe you put right there, and I believe it's for you to put your glue on, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that, but I believe that's what that is for. But I use glue rings personally. But yeah, super cute. I already use this, so this is definitely getting put to use. So the next is the lashes, and they sent me Easy Fans D-Curl 0.07 mix. So it's just a basic eyelash case. It has their logo, and then it says that it's self-fanning. I have lengths 16 through 20, because you know the girls love to come get they wings, period. Just off top, like, the lashes feel very, very freaking soft. Try not to cuss. Very, very soft. So I'm excited to try these out. Like, these are so freaking bomb. So freaking bomb. So freaking bomb. Like, I can tell these lashes is gonna be bomb just from me touching them. Like, what? These are so, I gotta try these out real quick. We're gonna try these out real quick. I just gotta see how they pull off. I just have to see, honey. So let's see. Oh yeah, you can't really see. That's not the best fan, but it's upside down. Hold on. It's messed up because look, I'm not able to hold it correctly, but they pull off really good. But we're gonna do an actual video of me actually using the lashes and the glue. So I'm gonna let y'all know what's up. And they have all the lash extension products you will need on their website. So y'all make sure y'all go to their website. Everything is gonna be on the description. I do have a code. Use my code BREE10. Save y'all some coins. And they do ship by Fedex, 2 to 4 day shipping. That's fast as hell. So another thing they gave me was iPads. I actually have some of these. So these are really good. I use these already, as y'all can see. Like I buy these on my own. So these are really good. I love iPads. It helps you see the lashes like on a white surface. And then we have this, and it comes with glue rings, the brushes, the little lash brushes, and it has glitter right here. That's bomb. Look at mine. Oh shoot. I already have. These are so fire. So they sell the little glitter ones, because if you like me, I'll be buying all different colors spoolies. Then they have the microfiber ones, and then the glue rings, and they're pink, so that's a plus. And then last but not least, we have these tweezers. I freaking love the colors. I have yet to try these out, which the straight one, you really can't go wrong with the straight tweezers. So you can like buy these anywhere. But this one, we're gonna see what it do. We're gonna see what it do. So yes, and oh, it does have their logo right here. V-Eyes. Yeah, V-Eyes Inc. So that was all they sent me. Basically, they sent me everything I needed to complete a full set. Yeah, they sent me everything I needed. So this was super cute. Like I said, they have lashes, they have glue, they have lash supplies, they have beginner kits. Do you hear me? Y'all always asking me, where can y'all get a kit? They have beginner kits. So make sure y'all go use my code for 10% off. Tell them I sent you. Get y'all something. Period. Y'all know lash extension supplies are so expensive. They can add up if you're doing people consistently. And they have very, very reasonable prices. Some lash companies are freaking expensive, and that stuff adds up, like where you're gonna have to be charging a good amount for your sets. So this brand has really good pricing. Like I said, they have cute packaging. The lashes, they are soft as hell. Very, very soft. They're dark, which is a plus. The glue, we don't know. We're going to find out what's tea on that. And then the supplies, you can't go wrong. Like, you could get everything from one place. Because I know me, I hate ordering from a million places for my supplies. So, like I said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure y'all go follow them on Instagram. Make sure y'all go use my code to grab y'all some supplies. And I hope y'all like this video. Thank you, V-Eyes, for sponsoring this video. And I love y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Period.